Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation would be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. For example, it does not really respond to your touches, the screen freezed, and you have no idea what to do. So to soft reset the device, all we have to do is to press the power button, which is located on the right side of our device, and hold it long enough until we will see the black screen, the developer's logo, and the system will be restarted. So let me press the power button. As you can see, we've got this reboot option, but let's pretend that we cannot really tap on it, keep pressing. We've got the black screen, which is really good. We've got the vibration, we've got the developer's logo, which means that in a second actually, our device will be restarted and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.